Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the IQ option app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install the IQ option app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of IQ option, since that's where we can download their app, so just go and search this. And after searching, you will now be automatically directed to their website. So to download the IQ option app on this website, you just need to scroll down a little and then you will now be able to see the download button right here. Just go and click it. And after clicking it, your IQ option will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, your system will show you the location where your IQ options installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just tap this 3 dots right here and then set it to the folder where you want to save it. But if you're already fine with the location, just click install. And after that, the app will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, your IQ option app will automatically open. So just log in or create your account and then you will be able to use it. In my case, I already have an account, so I will just log it in right here. And after logging into your account, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your IQ option app, so you can now use it to start trading. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.